Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We got a new version of PS4 Jailbreak GoldenHen version 2.4 beta 18 just released. This version is mainly focused on stability and adding support for other PS4 firmware, and there are also some new features has been added, so let's take a look. First go to PS4 setting and make sure the PS4 is connected to the internet. Now go to your PS4 internet browser and type kme ps4.site. Press enter and click on the manual host option. Now it will preparing the offline cache so you can jailbreak your PS4 without internet. Now there you will see the GoldenHen version 2.4 beta 18. Just click on this and it will ask you to plug in USB, which you can use for the other PS4 jailbreak version. So plug in. After the message pops up, click on the OK button and it will jailbreak your PS4. In this version you will see new cheat setting from where you can enable the cheats in the games and it can automatically update the new cheats. Let's start the game. As you can see, the game runs successfully. I hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.